In this video, we listed the 5 best welding machines on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. HITBOX HBT250P Machine. The HITBOX HBT250 ACDC is a versatile welding machine designed for TIG and MMA welding, featuring advanced inverter technology for a stable and concentrated arc. With dimensions of 440 by 260 by 340 mm and a rated duty cycle of 60%, it operates on AC 220V power. The machine supports a pilot arc current range of 20-200A and an arc current of 20-140A, making it suitable for welding various materials, including stainless steel, carbon steel, and aluminum. It includes multiple adjustable settings for arc initiation, stop current, and pulse frequency, ensuring optimal performance and weld quality. The package comes complete with essential accessories, including a TIG torch, electrode holder, and tungsten electrodes. Available for purchase at a competitive price, the HITBOX HBT250 ACDC is ideal for both professionals and hobbyists seeking reliable welding solutions. Number 2. CUT55P HF Machine. The CUT55P is a high-performance plasma cutting machine developed by iAir Technology Company, Limited, designed for efficient cutting of various metals. It features a robust HF pilot arc system and operates on both single-phase and three-phase power, with an input voltage range of 120V to 40V. The machine has a rated output voltage of 110V and supports an output current range of 15-55A, making it capable of cutting up to 20 mm thickness at 70 psi. Its digital display facilitates easy operation by allowing users to adjust the cutting amps according to their needs. The CUT55P is equipped with the AG60P high-quality cutting torch and includes essential accessories such as an earth clamp, air hose, and consumables. Weighing 9 kg and featuring a 60% duty cycle at maximum output, it is designed for durability and efficiency. Additionally, the product comes with a 2-year warranty, ensuring customer satisfaction and support. Number 3. ANDELI 110 Cold Machine. The ANDELI TIG 250G PRO is a versatile and efficient TIG welder designed for various welding applications, featuring a maximum arc current of 160A and dual voltage options of 110-220V. This 5-in-1 machine incorporates advanced IGBT inverter technology, which enhances its duty cycle and power conversion efficiency, exceeding 85%. It offers multiple functions including hot, MMA, cold, clean, and TIG pulse, making it suitable for tasks ranging from metal fabrication to automotive repairs. The welder's compact design reduces weight by 25%, facilitating easy transport, while the silent fan operation ensures a quieter working environment. Safety is prioritized with CE certification, and the product comes with a 2-year warranty, along with a responsive customer service team ready to assist with any inquiries. The clean function is particularly noteworthy, allowing for a shiny weld bead and minimal post-weld cleanup. Overall, the ANDELI TIG 250G PRO combines performance, user-friendliness, and safety, making it an ideal choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Number 4. HZXVOGEN HVM 200 Machine. The HZXVOGEN HVM 200 is a versatile 3-in-1 welding machine designed for MIG, TIG, and ARC welding, making it suitable for both beginners and professionals. It features a compact and portable design, weighing only 6.3 kg and measuring 43 cm x 24 cm x 28 cm, which enhances its usability in various settings, including DIY projects and professional applications. The welder operates on dual voltage, 220V, 110V, and has a maximum output of 200A, allowing it to weld metal parts up to 4.0 mm thick. Its user-friendly interface includes a single-knob intelligent control system for easy adjustment of wire feed speed and welding current, complemented by a digital display for precise monitoring. The HVM200 is equipped with advanced safety features, including overheating and overcurrent protection, and boasts an efficiency rating of 85% with a duty cycle of 60%. Additionally, it comes with a comprehensive accessory kit, including a MIG gun, ground clamp, and flux core wire, ensuring users have everything they need to get started. With a 1-year warranty and a satisfaction guarantee, the HZXVOGEN HVM200 is positioned as a reliable choice for anyone looking to tackle a variety of welding tasks. Number 5. ANDELI 110V TIG Welding Machine. The ANDELI TIG 250 MPC is a versatile welding machine designed for various applications, particularly in the field of welding. This model operates at dual voltages of 110, 220V and features an arc current capability of 130A, with a pilot arc current of 160A, making it suitable for different welding tasks. It is CE certified, ensuring compliance with safety standards. The dimensions of the machine are 396mm x 142mm x 268mm, and it does not include any high concern chemicals, indicating a focus on safety. Available for purchase at a competitive price of $229, the TIG 250 MPC is sold through the ANDELI official store, which boasts a high customer satisfaction rate. The product is shipped from mainland China, with a delivery time frame of 7 to 15 days, and is equipped with secure payment options to protect buyer privacy.